Hello student, today we are going to do exercise number 9.4. So I already said in my last lecture that now we have to do this type of bar graph. And this bar graph that you have to do is to be done in your graph paper. So children, see, this is a graph paper and this graph is of 10. This box is of 10. So buy this type of graph paper or graph book. You will get easily available in the stationery shop. So buy this graph book so it will be easy for you. Okay children, getting me? Hello student. So we are going to start with exercise number 9.4. So what is exercise 9.4? Question number 1. A survey of a school student was done to find which activity they prefer to do in the free time. There are 120 school students and a survey was done that what the student do in the free time. So which activity they prefer. So the box says prefer activity and number of students. So playing. After studying, how many students like to play? Then 45 students. Then reading story. किस किस को स्टोरी पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है? That is 30. Watching TV. How much? 20. Listening to music. How much? 10. And painting. Then how much? 15. So these are the students, the number of students, and these are the preferred activity. Now draw a bar graph to illustrate the above data taking with the scale of 1 length is equals to 5. 1 unit length is equals to 5 student, right? So how we will do the graph? So I will learn you how to do the graph. You just understand. First take a graph paper. Okay, now I have done the graph paper. From the down you can leave 3 to 4 lines according to your handwriting. If you feel like your handwriting is small, then you can leave 1, 2, 3 or 4 box. If your handwriting is big, then you can leave 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 lines, right? And from here, from this side, right, you leave 2 boxes. How many boxes? 2 boxes. Here you take a scale and draw x-axis. You draw x-axis, and here you draw the y-axis, right, with the scale and with the pencil. I have already drawn for you. Now what you have to do? On the x-axis scale, you will write what? Preferred activity. And which preferred activity will write? Playing, leave 1 box. Then reading story, then leave 1 box. Watching TV, leave 1 box. Listening to the music, leave 1 box. And painting, right? These are the activities. Here you will write the scale. And what scale it will be? 1 unit length is equals to 5 student. So this scale will be helpful to write here the numbers. So after drawing this 1 box 5, then 10, because here we have already the scale is given that 1 unit length. This becomes your 1 unit length is equals to 5 students. So keep here 5, then 10, then 1 line, then 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 45, 50, 60, 50, 55 and 60. Right? I have done till 60. It's enough. Now here you write the scale, and scale here you write the number of student. Okay. Then now we have already written here playing. Now go to the table. What is the playing? Playing is 45. So for here, start it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. Draw 1 line and draw this bar graph with the help of a pencil, right? And draw a straight line like this way, right? So this becomes till 45. Draw this one and take this box, right? And I have drawn one design. If you don't want to do this design, it's fine. After that 30. So go, find it out 30. Where it is? So from here, this activity. playing story 30, right? And watching TV is 20, so do here 20. Then listening to the music, how many students are there? 10, so only till here. See this line? 10. And painting, how many prefers painting? 15. Then 5, 10 and 15. Draw here and take one box. Okay. So this way you can prepare your graph. I am making it up so it becomes very clear to you and you can see the resolution of graph clearly. Right. So in this way you can make your graph. Okay. Now there is one question. Which activities prefer the most of the student other than playing? Other than playing, which activity they like? If you see, we can say reading story book. Or by just seeing the graph, this is 45 and the biggest scale is 30. So we can say reading story book. So this is the completion of your question number 1. Now we go for your question number 2. Right? We go for the question number 2. What is the question number 2? Let's see. Here. The number of mathematics books sold by a shopkeeper on the 6 consecutive days are given below. There is one shopkeeper who sold some mathematics book. On Sunday, how many books are sold? 65. On Monday, it is 40. On Tuesday, it is 30. On Wednesday, it is 50. Thursday, it is 20. And Friday, it shows 70. Then draw a bar graph to represent the above scale, choosing the scale of your choice. You can choose the scale of your choice. जो भी scale आपको पसंद है वो लो. ठीक है? I am taking 1 unit length is equals to 5 books. Right? You can even take 10 if you want to take 10. It is up to your choice. Again same. Take a graph. In this, you take the x-axis. Right? Take 1, 2 and 3 line from the downside. And here always keep a 2 line aside. Don't start your graph from here. Please student. Leave 2 lines and then start the graph. Then you draw your x-axis. Right? In this way, you draw the x-axis. Here you write your unit scale. It is very important to write a unit scale. So 1 unit length is equals to 5 books. This is important. First draw it. Then write the scale. Scale is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 and 70. Okay. And here you write the number of days, on which day how many books are sold. So from this only, from your table only, Sunday, Monday, like in the same way you write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And so find it on Sunday. How many books are sold? On Sunday, the number of books are sold is 65. So we need to find 65. So 65 and Sunday. So from here, you just straightly draw the graph with the scale. And here is 65. तो इधर कर दो. ठीक है. बाद में कितनी सेल हुई है? 40. और मंडे कितना सेल हुआ है? 40. तो इधर से स्टार्ट करो. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 और 40. तो इधर बना दो. ठीक है. Then it is 50. Then it is 30. So here 30 is there. So on Tuesday make it 30. Then that is 50. So make it till here 50. Right. Afterwards on Thursday it is less. So it is 20. Friday it is 70. So go till 70 and draw this bar graph with the help of a scale and a pencil. Right. Please don't do your bar graph with pen. Please. And write your day and write here do the number of books sold. Right. This is the number of books sold. These are the days. So this is the completion of the question number 2. Now we go for the question number 3. What is question number 3? Draw the table showing following table shows the number of bicycles manufactured in the factory during the year 1998 to 2000. Illustrate this day using a bar graph and choose the scale of your choice. तो अपनी हिसाब से स्केल लेने की है. ठीक है. So I have already written the question. The number of bicycle manufactured in the factory during the year 1998 and 2000. So what unit scale we say? You can see here common thing. It is all going in 100 only. So we can say that 1 unit length is equals to 100 bicycles, right? Unit scale is always based on this number. ये नंबर के हिसाब से आप यूनिट स्केल को लगा सकते हो, ठीक है. सो फॉर ईयर वी हैव राइट वन यूनिट लेंथ इज इक्वल्स टू 100 बाइसिकल्स. तो इधर हम क्या डाल देंगे, एक्स एक्सिस में हम क्या डाल देंगे, ईयर्स, क्योंकि ईयर्स है 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001 एंड 2002. देखो इधर लिखा है 1998 में कितनी साइकिल बेची है, हाउ मच, 800. इन 1998 800 cycle, 1999 600 cycle, on 2000 90 cycle, in 2001 1100 cycle, and on 2002 it is 1200 cycle, right? So in this way you have to put the years on the x-axis and the scale on the y-axis, right? So in this way you will do it. The number of bicycles, it is 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001 and 2002, right? So first you write 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, right? 1100 and 1200, right? After keeping for 1200 you start for 1998. 1998 is how much, 800. तो 800 की स्केल से लेके इधर बना दो बार ग्राफ. नाउ इट इज 600. सो फ्रॉम ईयर यू कैन डू 600. सो यू कैन डू फॉर 99. फॉर 2000 हाउ मच, इट इज 900. सो कीप इट ईयर. फॉर 2001, फॉर 2001 सी टू फॉर 2001. 2001 में कितना है, ये 1100 है, तो यू कीप इट फॉर ईयर. एंड द लास्ट वन इज in 2002, it is 1200, so you keep it here, it is 1200. And this way you can write it. And by drawing this bar graph you have to answer the few questions. In which year the maximum numbers of cycles are manufactured? Here you can say maximum numbers of cycles are manufactured in the year 2002. So I have written 2002. In which year minimum, सबसे कम कब हो रहा है, 1999. And even be seeing the bar graph you can answer maximum इधर है, right? Maximum is this and minimum is here. So seeing the bar graph you can answer the question easily. Now we go for the question number 4. The number of person in various age group in the town is given below. Age group दिया है कि 1 से लेके 14 तक कितने पर्सन है, 2 lakhs. 15 से 29 years एज के कितने हैं, 1,60,000. 30 से लेके 44 एज के कितने हैं, 1,20,000. 45 से लेके 59 तक कितने हैं, 1,20,000. 60 से लेके 79 के कितने हैं, 80,000. 75 से अबो कितने हैं, 40,000. ठीक है. Then draw a bar graph to represent the above information and answer the following question. For example, 1 unit length is equals to 20,000. इसमें दिया गया है कि 1 unit length is equals to 20,000. So we don't have to decide the scale. The scale has been already given to us. So how we will draw? Right? We will draw here. Here you write the age groups 1 to 14, 15 to 29, 30 to 44, 45 से 59, 60 से 74, right? And the last one is 75 and above. And here you write the scale. Here already the scale is given that 1 unit is equals to 20,000. So 20,000, 40,000, 60,000, 80,000, 1 lakh, 1,20,000, 1,40,000, 1,60,000, 1,80,000 and 2 lakh. In this way you can write. And here you have to write age group in years, right? Here is number of person, I have forget, write it, number of person. Okay, fine. So this will be easy. And according to that you have to do for age group of 1 to 14, 2 lakh. So where is our 2 lakh? Here. So from down to up you do 2 lakh. Now in 15 to 29 it is 1,60,000. So you do here 1,60,000. Here is 30 to 44. It is 1,20,000. So you do 1,20,000. Again 45 to 59. It is also 1,20,000. Both are same. Right? Now 60 and 74. It is 80,000. So put here 80,000. And 75 and above, it is only 40,000. So you do till here. Right? And there are few questions. What are the few questions you need to answer? First, which two age group have a same population? कौन सी दो एज ग्रुप है जिसके सेम पॉपुलेशन? यहाँ पे हमने बनाया है, देखो ग्राफ. द सेम 1,20,000. Which? 30 and 44, 45 and 59. And all person in the age group of 60 and above of senior citizen, it is 80 plus 40. So our answer will be 1,20,000, because this is 80,000 and this is 40. So our answer will be 1,40,000. So this is the completion of your chapter number 9 and your exercise number 9.4. Write in your notebook. Thank you.